AfriForum challenges exclusion in Kruger National Park mining assessment. AfriForum, a civil rights organization, has raised significant concerns regarding the exclusionary practices of Kimopax in the Environmental Impact Assessment (EIA) of a contentious mining project near Kruger National Park. Kimopax, tasked with conducting the EIA, has been accused of sharing sensitive information with certain interest groups while sidelining others, including AfriForum, despite its status as a registered interested and affected party (IAP). This controversy began when AfriForum noticed that critical information about potential environmental impacts and procedural updates were not being disseminated evenly among all IAPs, a requirement under the National Environmental Management Act (NEMA) of 1998. Such actions potentially breach the standard regulations for public participation, which uphold principles of transparency and equal opportunity for commentary and review. AfriForum's manager for environmental affairs, Lambert de Klerk, articulated the organization's stance by highlighting the potential jeopardy such procedural lapses could pose to Kruger National Park, one of South Africa's most revered natural habitats. The organization has threatened to escalate the matter through legal channels if Kimopax and Tenbosch Mining fail to rectify the situation by the set deadline of February 17, 2025. If unaddressed, AfriForum plans to notify key regulatory bodies, including the Department of Forestry, Fisheries and the Environment, the Department of Mineral Resources and Energy, and the Association of Environmental Assessment Practitioners of South Africa, EAPASA, to highlight these inconsistencies. Furthermore, AfriForum's vehement resistance to the mining project underscores a broader environmental and social stance, emphasizing the necessity to safeguard local ecosystems and community interests, which could be drastically affected by mining operations. As it stands, AfriForum's proactive measures reflect a broader narrative of environmental advocacy and legal diligence necessary to maintain the ecological integrity of areas like the Kruger National Park. The case also underscores ongoing tensions between environmental priorities and industrial interests in the region. By pushing for greater accountability and adherence to legal standards, AfriForum not only represents its members, but also advocates for public interest in environmental matters. As this conflict progresses, it serves as a pivotal example of the challenges faced in balancing developmental aspirations with environmental stewardship, a theme increasingly resonant in global conservation discussions. Thank you for choosing Satori News.